This year we're having the first Pottery Throwdown at the Crackpot Tour. And the purpose of that is to give some friendly competition between the people participating in the tour.
The first event will be the tallest cylinder.
Ready, set, go!
Sorry, got a little split.
The next event will be the widest bowl.
It's chip and dip.
And the third event will be make as many shot glasses in 5 minutes as you can.
Go, 5 minutes.
Don't stop, just make another one.
Oops.
Oh, man.
21. Oh, we encourage heckling from the audience.
All right, keep going.
Keep going.
This is a chance for us to get together and just have some fun.
They're only made of clay.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So she gets our impressive trophy.